Hello everyone, I'm Linda from the Fader team, and today we're going to take a look at how your viewers can actually navigate through your Fader story by selecting specific scenes within the player. So once you produce a Fader story, your viewers might want to skip through different scenes, like they skip through a timeline. Maybe because they've already seen a specific scene and they want to move on. Maybe because they're bored, hopefully not. Or maybe because they just cannot wait to see how the narrative unfolds. And for that, they can actually pick scenes within the navigation bar in the player. I'm going to show you what I mean.
So as an example, here's a Fader story created by Deutsche Welle's Euromax team for an architectural series called Ambiente. And in this story, you can find out more about this really cool house and the family that lives in there. And you're basically going from one room to the next room in that house. And now, as a user, if you want to just jump to a specific room, you can do so within the player at the bottom by clicking on the respective scene. Okay, so how did they do that? Well, it is very easy. Let's check out the Fader editor. Here is a story I prepared in Moscow, and it has a few scenes in it. And you can see that at the bottom, here are the different scenes. When we preview the story, we can see that viewers don't have the option to click on any scenes within the player. All they can do is go from one scene to the next scene with the help of our hotspots. This is how you add the navigation bar to the player. When we go back to the editor, you will see at the bottom right, allow jump to. When you click on it, you allow the scene to be displayed within the Fader player, within the navigation bar. Now you can also name individual scenes for overview purposes. So let's do that. I will do that for 3 different scenes. So here I again click on allow jump to. I name this specific scene. I call it church. And then I go to the 3rd scene. I also click on allow jump to, and I name the scene. When you click on preview, you can see that we actually added a navigation bar to the player, and viewers can now jump to these respective scenes, which is nice. So quick and easy with Fader.
In the past, some of our users have used this feature and they created Fader stories with the navigation bar. And they played around with it by displaying only some of the scenes. I'm going to link a few Fader examples down below so you can take a closer look. If you have a question regarding Fader or our work, you can contact us. I'm going to also link all the contact info down below. If you want to see further tutorials that we haven't done, please let us know and we can work on it. And we're going to see you soon on Fader.